for today, I'm following 2 different recipes from Pinterest. The first recipe is a marinated steak with chimichurri sauce, and the other is Parmesan Crusted Potatoes. I'm also going to be pairing this with some green beans. But first, before I get started, I just want to add that I'm not following these recipes to a T, but I will have the recipes in the link below. As well, I will have some captions in the video with the correct measurements of everything you see. Okay, now after hours of cooking later, I finally completed the meal. The steak is delicious, and this is coming from someone who could care less about steak. And before anyone says anything, my family loves our steak well done, meaning no pink at all. And I know some people are probably hearing that and dying inside, but that's just us. Also, I recently learned that I will only eat steak if it's marinated. So just know this marinade is A+. The green beans are okay. I think I put too much olive oil, but the cook on them is exactly how I like it. So A+ on that. Kind of like a C+ on on the seasoning, the flavoring. And lastly, the potatoes. Chef's kiss. It is absolutely delicious. The only thing I would probably switch up or change to make it a 10 out of 10 is I could have left it in there a little longer, made them a little crispier, but the Parmesan, the garlic powder, the everything that's in it, the butter, everything, the flavor is just amazing, and I absolutely loved it. Now I'm gonna go finish enjoying my meal, but let me know if you made either one of these or both of these recipes and if you enjoyed it.